Hi guys, this is T. Venkateshwarlu, popularly known as TV Sir. Welcome back to our channel Sandeep English World. Today I would like to deal with the topic of the definite article the. The definite article the is used in a number of contexts. The very first point is use the before the known things. For example, the book you want is out of print. Which book? The book you want is out of print. When we are referring to the known thing, we use the definite article the. On the next point, we use the before unique things. For instance, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the world, etc. And we use the before the animals to refer to the whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. It means the whole class of dogs. The cow is a useful animal. It means the whole class of cows. And we use the before certain superlatives. For example, Everest is the highest mountain in the world. The highest, the greatest, the biggest, the smallest, the thickest, the thinnest, the best, the worst. In such a way, we use the before superlatives. We use the before the names of certain adjectives. For example, the rich should help the poor. When we use the before the adjectives, it refers to the whole class. For example, the rich should help the poor. The rich means the whole class of the rich. The poor, the whole class of the poor. Like that we can use the young, the old, the rich, the poor, the blind, the deaf, etc. And we use the before certain ordinal numbers in titles. For example, King George the 6th, Henry the 14th, etc. And use the before common nouns followed by proper nouns. We use the before a common noun followed by a proper noun. For example, the river Godavari is in spate. River is a common noun. Before the river we use the and it is followed by the proper noun Godavari. The river Godavari is in spate. And next point is use the before a proper noun to refer to a common noun. For example, Kalidasa is the Shakespeare of India. When I say Kalidasa is the Shakespeare of India, generally before Shakespeare, which is a proper noun, we should not use any article. But in this context we use because the Shakespeare of India, the Shakespeare here refers to the greatest dramatist. Kalidasa is the Shakespeare of India. It means Kalidasa is the greatest dramatist of India. And the next point is we use the before famous abbreviations. For example, the UNO, the USA, the WTO, the UPSC, etc. And use the before adjectives followed by certain proper nouns. For example, the great Shivaji, the famous Napoleon, the immortal Shakespeare, the wise Solomon, etc. And the important point which we come across in various competitive exams and academic exams is use the before the sacred books. For example, the Bible, the Quran, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Vedas, the Upanishads, etc. And we have to use the before plural proper nouns and common nouns. For instance, the Tatas, the Birlas. When we say the Tatas, the Birlas, it refers to the members of the family of the Tatas, the whole members of the family of the Birlas, we can say. Or before plural common nouns also, the boys, the girls, in such a way. And use the before certain musical instruments in the following context. For example, I say, I can play the flute. She can play the veena. in such context, playing a particular musical instrument, only in that context we use the. And before mountain ranges also we use the Himalayas, the Alps, before the Vindhyas, the Satpuras, etc. And before the names of canals, the Suez Canal, the Buckingham Canal, the Panama Canal, in such a way. Before names of lakes, the Sambar Lake, the Chilaka Lake, etc. Before the names of rivers, the Ganges, the Godavari, etc. Before the names of seas and oceans, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, like that. Before the groups of islands, we use the Andamans, names of gulfs, the Persian Gulf, and names of the plural names of countries also we use the. Only before plural names of countries, not the singular name like India, Pakistan. We should not say the India, the Pakistan, but we can say the Maldives, the Philippines, the Netherlands, etc. And we have to use the before the names of deserts, the desert, the Sahara desert, the Kalahari desert, like that. Before the names of provinces, the Deccan province, names of valleys, the Kashmir valley, like that. And particularly before the name of the state of Punjab, we use the. Only before the name of the state. In case of the other states, we should not use the Punjab. Because of its peculiar geographical background, we use the Punjab. What is the specialty of Punjab? Punjab is a land of 5 rivers. Because of its peculiar geographical background, we use the. And before the names of hotels, restaurants, inns, clubs, we use the. Name of a hotel, the Taj Hotel. Name of a restaurant, the Sneha Restaurant. Name of an inn, the Golapudi Inn. Name of a club, the Rotary Club. Name of a theatre, the Shanti Theatre. Name of the fancy store, the Krishna Fancy Store. The name of a ship, the Titanic. Name of an aeroplane, the Boeing 707. Names of rockets, the ASLV, the PSLV, the GSLV, etc. And before the names of trains also, the Rajdhani Express. Names of dynasties, the Maurya dynasty. Names of empires, the Mughal Empire. Names of historical events and monuments. You can say the First World War, the Second World War, the Sipai Mutiny, in such a way. And before the names of historical monuments, the Taj Mahal, the Charminar, the Qutub Minar, etc. Names of festivals, the Diwali, the Christmas, etc. Names of newspapers, the Indian Express, the Deccan Chronicle, the Hindu, the Enadu, in such a way. Names of banks, the Andhra Bank, the State Bank of India, etc. We use the before certain inventions. The television was invented by J.L. Baird. The radio was invented by Marconi. Like that. Before bodily parts also we use the heart, the brain, the hand, etc. Before collective nouns too, we use the Air Force, the Army, the Navy, the police, the crowd, in such a way. Before adverbial constructions also we use the definite article the. For example, the higher we go, the less the temperature is. The harder you work, the sweeter your life will be. The faster you walk, the earlier you will reach your destination. Among all these points, I like this adverbial construction because I read it when I was a student of degree first year. In one of the newspapers I read it. In one of the English newspapers I read the expression under the title of How to Study. I would like to cherish and memorize this in this context. The example that I read in some years ago is, the more you know, the more you forget. The more you forget, the less you know. The less you know, the less you forget. The less you forget, the more you know. Again, we come back to the more you know. How to study? This is the big question mark, really. And these are all the important points that we have to keep in mind to face a number of academic and competitive examinations. And this is the end of the topic of the definite article the, and hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel. For more updates, click on the bell icon. Feel free to put your comments in the comment box, and I take leave of you with these few words, and thank you very much. Happy learning.